Alright, so here's the update. We've got the floorboard made here, and we've got some blocks here in the ground. We're going to use 2x4s as a temporary support, so that way I can get the measurements for the 4x4s. And this is all on a hill. That's our highest corner right there, and this is our lowest corner. So we're going to start. I want it 2 foot off the ground in the highest part. So we're going to use 2x4s to temporarily lift this up to get it all level. And then we're going to come back with some 4x4s that I've got laying around, so that way I can cut them to the right size and not have to guess at it. And just replace each one at a time. Alright, so we've got our posts in the ground. We got the floor leveled up. I ended up putting 2 more posts there in the middle to make it a little more sturdy. It was still sagging down in the middle whenever I stepped on it. So I ended up putting another 2x4. Let's see here. Let's see if y'all can see this here. So I ran one horizontal, a little 4 inches up against all the studs here. Just like that. And then I ran another one vertical and then attached all that together, making almost like a little I-beam type setup, you know, more like a L-beam, I guess. But when I did that, it made this significantly sturdier. So win for that. My dad and my brother surprised me. They showed up to help me put in the composite flooring for our chicken coop. And this is all that we were able to accomplish on the second day. If you want to see more about this chicken coop and how it ends up looking, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.